Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a wonderful day. So guys, today I am bringing you a quick tutorial of how I got this hair done, and of course it took me 2 weeks between when I first filmed this video of me doing the hair and when I came back to do like an intro. So this hair is already 2 weeks old. You know, for full locks kind of looks better as it gets older, I think. I want to show you guys how I was able to get this style done. Today I did something different. It's kind of like wrapping the hair, but not the entire hair. And I think this is a good style for if you have longer length, and if you also don't want to have the top of your hair a bit messy. And I'll just come back to you after I'm done to kind of give you a bit more details about, you know, the hair I'm using and all of that good stuff. So with that being said, guys, enjoy this tutorial. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. You want to part your hair to the desired size of the locks that you want to install. I had about 25 parts on each side of my hair, but it turned out that it was a bit too scanty. But later in the video I kind of showed how I was able to fix that, so make sure you watch till the end. When you finish parting your hair, you can either choose to twist it or do braids. I prefer twisting just because it was easier to take off, but it doesn't really matter. No need to make your hair super tight while you're twisting at this point. You have a chance to make it as tight as you want when you're wrapping the hair. Also, you can also use gel if you want to get like a sleek look at the roots, but I wasn't going for like that sleek look, but feel free to do that if you prefer. So I went ahead and I just twisted all of my hair. Again, I had about 25 on both sides and got my hair ready for styling. So for this hair, I'm going to be using about 3 packs of the new Locs crochet hair, and also half a pack of the X-Pression Afro twist hair. To start off, you want to open up the crochet hair and then pass one of your twisted hair through the open loop of the crochet hair, and then you are gonna secure the ends of your hair to the roots using a crochet needle, just as I did there. So open the crochet needle and pass your hair right through. Super easy. Once you've done this, you have your hair folded in half, and this part of the hair that is exposed is the only part of the hair that you need to wrap. Now I'm gonna take a bit of that Afro twist hair. I'm cutting it because I don't need the entire length of it, but here you just go ahead and wrap the hair. You need to wrap the base kind of tight, and this is where you have a chance to get it as tight as you want. But the rest of the hair, you need to make it loose. You don't want it to be super stiff. You wrap it and cover up all of the exposed hair, and as soon as you get to the part where your hair meets the crochet lock, then you can go ahead and like trim the excess, because you don't need all of that hair for anything. Just trim the excess and then continue to wrap until you're done wrapping. You don't need to glue the hair or anything. The kinky or rather the Afro twist secures very nicely with the locks. So I'm just going to show you guys again how I was able to do this. Same thing, you know, take a bit of the Afro twist hair, you know, cut it up so that you don't need to have the entire length, depending on the length of your hair, of course, and how much is exposed. Open up the crochet hair and, you know, pass your own hair through it. Secure the tips of your hair to the roots of your hair and begin to use this Afro twist to wrap the roots of your hair. Again, wrap the roots very tightly, and then the rest of it, you know, wrap it as loose as you can. And pretty much you're done. This is how you just complete the rest of the hair. Wrap. If you notice, I was kind of opening up the hair, like spreading it out a little bit when I'm wrapping it, just to make sure that I have like very, you know, flat hair to wrap rather than it just being like thick and bulky, and that works out. This video is sped up 3 times, so feel free to, you know, slow it down if you want to see the details and just see me work on this hair very slowly. But that's it, guys. You know, I wrapped the entire hair Probably took me a while to do just because I was watching Netflix at the same time, but it's not a hard process. Once you have your hair twisted, the rest of this is kind of easy breezy. So let me turn around real quick so you can see what this hair looks like front and back and how long it is. This is how long the hair is. This is the front and this is the back. A few things about this hair. First of all, I started off with 18 inches of this hair, and you know, because I have my hair about this much, it kind of gave me an additional maybe 6 inches. So ultimately the hair is about 24 inches long, between 22 and 24 inches long. So if you wanna, you know, if you wanna do this style and you're going for a shorter length, just buy, you know, depending on the length of your hair and how much of your hair you wanna wrap, just kind of know what actual length you're gonna get. So again, I didn't need to get, I wanted a long style, but I didn't need to get like a 24 inches hair to do that. However, just for you guys to know, like I did make a mistake when I was doing this hair. I think I cut my hair a bit too, I braided my hair a bit too big. So by the time I did the individual locks, they were a bit too scanty on my hair, and I didn't really like that look. So what I did was I bought another, because I had used 2 packs of this and then just a little bit out of the 3rd pack, I believe. So what I did was I went and purchased another pack, but instead of buying 18 inches, I bought 24 inches because that's the length of the hair. And with the 24 inches, I went underneath, I went to each hair, and let me see if I can show you guys. If you can see this, hopefully it comes through. I went to each hair, so this is the one I wrapped with the 18 inches, and then like this, and then I just kind of at the roots attached another 24 inches that was just almost as long as the 18 inches. So this is kind of the length difference. I don't know if you guys saw any of this. I hope you did. But anyway, so this helped me like make the hair a bit fuller than it originally was. I know that next time I do this hair, I'm just gonna cut my hair, you know, part my hair a bit smaller so I get the full look from the beginning. But this time around, I know I made that mistake. So if you want to do the same thing, just go with like smaller, you know how many packs you want to use, and just go with smaller braids on your hair or twist on your hair, so that you don't fall into the same situation I did. But in this case, I think this was the perfect solution because it works well, and you can't even really tell that all of that is going on, or maybe you can. Let me know if you can in the comment section. All right guys, so that is the end of this tutorial. Let me know if you have tried to, you know, have your crochet installed this way, or if you intend to try it. I really love this right now. I feel like this is going to be one of my go-to styles. Just maybe change the type of crochet hair and whatnot, but it's so versatile. It feels like I have my hair braided, even though I don't. And like I said before, I don't really know if I like the look of crochet when it's cornrowed, or maybe, I don't know, I just feel like it feels a little bulky, and of course the styling is a little limited. But with this one, I can like do different kinds of styles with this hair without any issues. I can pack it up in a ponytail if I want, like literally everything you can do with braids, you know, everything you can do with braids you can do with this hair. So yeah, that's it guys. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do so, and if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.